10 easy steps to prepare your home for summer. Now before you settle back and enjoy the long warm days of summer, a few little things need to be done. It is a good time to give your lovely home a check and clean to give it a lift for those summer days. A little bit of preparation now will save you headaches in the future. You want to enjoy those lovely barbecues and entertaining friends and family outside. Before you start anything, check your cleaning supplies. If you find you're out of paper towels or running low on Windex in the middle of cleaning, what a pain. Make a list and top up your supplies and pick them up next time you are shopping. 1. Tune up gardening equipment. Spring is the perfect time to give your yard a little TLC. Set aside time to check all of your outdoor power equipment, especially those requiring fuel or batteries. Make sure you have backup batteries and fuel cans on hand, as finding yourself out of power in the middle of a project is not fun. Get the most out of manicuring your lawn by sharpening the blades on your mower. Get your shed organised before you begin so that everything will flow easily for you. 2. Inspect the roof and driveway. To prevent leaking, take the time to examine your roof for obvious signs of damage. If you're concerned about the condition of your roof, consider contacting a roofing professional to evaluate the damaged areas. Cold weather can affect the condition of your driveway. You'll want to patch all cracks and determine if it's time again to coat your driveway with sealer. 3. Smoke detectors. Check your smoke detectors and their batteries. 4. Air conditioner. Check your air conditioner, clean the filters and test the cooling function for summer. Organise a service call on your air conditioner if you feel that it is required. You don't want to be without your air conditioner during the middle of the summer heat. 5. Barbecue. Check your barbecue and give it a clean. You don't want to go to use your barbecue during spring and summer and find you have to give it a clean just before your guests turn up. Check or fill your gas bottle so you start the season with a full bottle. 6. Gardening. Every gardener's personal nightmare is a yard full of weeds. Be proactive and avoid this problem by applying fertilizer and weed preventer before the pesky green tufts sprout. If you apply it too late, it can prove to be a daunting task trying to catch up. In addition to fertilizing, preparing your perennial flower beds early before the plants begin to grow and spread out will make your job much easier. This is also a good time to lay down fresh compost and mulch and also pluck unwanted weeds. Prune your trees and shrubs. Clear old leaves and unruly weeds from your garden to get it in pristine shape for planting. 7. Clean windows. Your windows need to be washed in the springtime, both inside and out. While washing your windows, inspect the window screens for signs of distress, rips and tears. Wash the screens in good condition and replace damaged ones. While your focus is on your windows, check the sealant to ensure there aren't any leaks. 8. Clean gutters. Your gutters will be getting a lot of action during the winter rains. Hopefully you cleaned your gutters during autumn. Be sure to double check for debris buildup, especially if your yard has a lot of tall trees. Check the downspout for cracks or signs of damage, and be sure to point them away from your home's foundation. 9. Painting. Is the exterior of your home looking tired? Consider repainting for a fresh, new look. Painters get booked up early on during the spring and summer months, so be sure to get a head start and make an appointment as soon as possible. Consider a touch-up for your doors and windows. 10. Inside cleaning. Refresh your floors with a deep clean or polish. Dry clean your curtains, dust off blinds, and clean your windows. Spot clean your furniture. Now, time to relax and enjoy the good weather.